Ever wondered why erectile dysfunction is so prevalent in today's society, yet it's a subject often avoided in conversations? We're talking about a common issue affecting many, defined simply as the inability to get or maintain an erection. It's time to lift the veil on this silent epidemic. Diving right in, let's explore the most common physical and psychological causes of erectile dysfunction. On the physical side, conditions like heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and hormonal disorders often play a role. When we shift our focus to the psychological, stress, anxiety, depression, and relationship issues can all contribute. And let's not forget lifestyle factors. Your diet, your exercise routine, they're all pieces of the puzzle. So it's clear that erectile dysfunction can stem from various factors, both physical and psychological. Now that we know the causes, the question arises, how can we prevent erectile dysfunction? To begin, lifestyle changes are key. Feeding your body with healthy meals, engaging in regular physical exercise, quitting smoking, and limiting alcohol intake can greatly lower your risk. But let's not forget about mental health. Managing stress, seeking therapy, and engaging in mindfulness practices are equally important in maintaining sexual health. Regular health checkups are also crucial. They allow you to catch potential problems early and act swiftly. It's essential to have open dialogues with your healthcare providers about any concerns. After all, they're there to help. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. In conclusion, erectile dysfunction is a common issue that shouldn't be swept under the rug. It's crucial to understand its causes, both physical and psychological, and the preventative measures one can take. Remember, it's not just about treatment, but also about lifestyle choices that promote overall well-being. We encourage everyone to seek help and engage in open conversations about this condition. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Your experience could be the light at the end of the tunnel for someone else. And of course, feel free to leave us a like if you found this video helpful.